In this video, I'm going to take you guys through the steps to log into your Pearson SAVVAS online accounts. That's where you guys will do most of your math homework and assessments. These steps will be the same every time you guys go to log in. First thing you guys need to do is go ahead and launch an internet window and go to the Modesto City Schools website. That's www.mcs4kids.com, number 4. Once you get to the website, along the top, you're going to want to click on Students and Applications. This will launch the MCS app portal. These will be blank. When you guys log in, you're going to use your email address, which is your student ID number at monet.k12.ca.us. And you guys are going to go ahead and enter your password. Same password that you guys use to log onto your devices. Once you guys enter your username and your password, you're going to go ahead and sign in. And this is going to bring you guys to a page full of apps. The app that we're looking for is SAVVAS EasyBridge. They're in alphabetical order and it's on the 3rd page down. You guys are going to go ahead and click on that one. The first time that we launch the app, it's going to go ahead and ask us to install an extension, which we're going to need to do. So down here on the bottom, you guys are going to click Install Extension. It'll bring up a new window. On the right-hand side, you're going to click Add to Chrome. And then you guys are going to come over here and click Add Extension. And that's going to go ahead and install. You guys can close out that window and you'll notice it'll bring you back to the SAVVAS website. You're going to log in here. You're also going to be using your student ID number. So you're still going to use your student ID number that you used before but instead of using the monet.k12.ca.us, you guys are going to use MC-CA. So student ID number at MC-CA and use the same password that you used to log on to your device. Once you guys put that on, don't hit enter, don't click sign in. You're going to want to click here on the bottom where it says SAVVAS EasyBridge plus an auto. So username, password on the bottom, SAVVAS EasyBridge plus an auto. Click that. It's going to ask you to search for your district. You guys will put in MOD and Modesto City will pop up. You can click go. And it will take you to the launch page where it will have your name, your classes, and over here on the right-hand side, this is where you guys will click to launch the page. Once we've gone through the setup that it's going to take you to on the next page, it'll take you right to your class window, which you'll see more about in the next video. The first time that you guys go through, it's going to have you guys answer a few questions to set the account up. It just changes backgrounds and pictures and a few things like that. We're not going to do it right now because this is a student's account. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully that was helpful. You guys will use the same steps every time you log on. So every time you guys are going to go to this website, you're going to use these exact same steps. All right, thanks for watching.